Yeah. You can wave it. Yeah. Wave it, baby. Wave it, baby. Ooh. Baby, watch your man out here. Tell me where he gone.
Hello everyone, Petalist Bless here. I'm coming on today to share with you a lovely and fun spring wedding centerpiece that I've come up with, and I'll be using mostly items from Dollar Tree and my favorite online store, which is Totally Dazzled. Now, Totally Dazzled has lots of lovely gems and stuff for your wedding, for any special occasion. And you know, weddings are all year, but right now, when it's coming to the warmer weather, there's lots more weddings going on. So I'm going to share with you some ideas that you can put together for your wedding on a budget. Yes, because you know I'm a diva on a budget. So let's get into the items that we'll be using for today's DIY. Alright everyone, I was in Dollar Tree and I found these trays. There's a little camera on it and it says smile. It's super cute. They said it's a Trinket tray. I think that's what the label says. Yeah. And I think they're so super cute. So we have that. And we have our bling wrap here from Totally Dazzled in silver. Isn't it nice? I love the bling wrap. It's so shiny and nice from Totally Dazzled. It's really, really good. And we have our mirrors from the Dollar Tree. And we have some gems here that you can get from Walmart, Dollarama, Michael's. You know, they all have the gems. And I'm super excited about these, everyone. I love these candle holders. We didn't have them over here. You guys had them in America. And I was hoping we would get them in Canada. And I went and I found some. I'm so super excited about that. I like these candle holders. I think they are so nice. And they come in gold too. They have them in silver and they have them in gold. And of course we have some flowers from the Dollar Tree, which you can have any flowers of your choice to your setting for your table. The flowers are optional, but I'll be using these ones. Alright everyone, everything will be listed down below in the description box for you to see where I got them from. And the links and everything so you guys can check them out. Remember, just click the show more and it opens the description box below the video. Alright everyone, let's get started! Everyone, we have a piece of foam board that I cut out, and I cut out the bling also. And so I'm just going to put the bling going around the foam board. And now we're just going to add our 3 mirrors onto this foam board, just using some hot glue and glue them down. Alright everyone, now we have our little Trinket tray, and I'll be using it to glue our mirrors going around to make our box using some hot glue. And I just took the tabs off the bottom part of each square that's going to be touching our little Trinket tray. This is so super easy to make a square box. If you can't find the Trinket trays, you can use the regular method of making the square box. I have lots of videos on it, and I will link one down below in case you haven't seen one, to show you how to make the square box without a Trinket tray. And now to hide our edges, our box is done. I'm going to be using the black bling wrap from Totally Dazzled and just going along the 4 corners of our box. And now we're going to add my favorite gems to our box. Just using some hot glue and gluing it to the front of our box. And now for our second box, because we did make two, I'm just cleaning off the mirrors with some Windex. And then we're just going to place another gem onto this box also. Now it's time to add our flowers. So we're just going to put this piece of foam here inside our box, and then we're going to use our flowers and just stick them all over in a nice pattern inside our box. And now for our candle holders, I'll be gluing two candle holders together with the hot glue, and one I will leave single. Just place some hot glue. You can use some E6000 or anything else that you prefer. And for this one, we're just going to add our box straight to it. And here's our finished look, everyone. This is how I placed everything together. I think it looks really nice. It's a very quick and easy wedding decor, put together using items from the Dollar Tree, and of course my favorite Bling store, Totally Dazzled. Yes, like I said, I love the gems. They just add an elegant touch to whatever you place them on. And like I said, this is a nice, quick and easy wedding centerpiece. It looks very nice. The tray on the bottom, two candle holders doubled together, one single, and everything put together. It looks so nice. Now here's another look. We have two little candle holders on the side with our centerpiece in the middle. Doesn't that look nice? And I just took some of the bling wrap and wrapped around the two pillar candles, and it just looks elegant. Now this is just for show because you cannot burn them with the bling wrap on them, but it's a nice display on your table. Isn't that very nice? Look how they look, and the mirror. The mirrors are another thing that gives everything such a nice appearance. With the mirrors, it looks so clean and nice when you use mirrors on your decor. And here is another option. Yes, I have these candle holders here on the side with the black bling wrap also from Totally Dazzled, and I think it looks very nice with this kind of decor also. I'll leave a link below to the video with these two candle holders in them if you'd like to see how I made those, in the description box below. But I think this setup looks very nice too. And of course it has the LED lights inside, which is very nice. And this is a beautiful, elegant setup. I really like how this setup looks. I think it's my favorite. I like it the best. Out of the three setups that I did, I think this one looks so nice. Nice and elegant and clean for a wedding table decor. And this is how it looks with the lights off. Doesn't it look so nice, everyone? I think it looks absolutely beautiful. A nice wedding centerpiece on a budget. Diva on a budget. Dollar Tree items, put them together with our little Totally Dazzled gems, and you get a beautiful, beautiful wedding centerpiece. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of my DIY that I did for today. Give me a thumbs up, press that like button, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with. And remember, as I told you before, follow me on Instagram at PetalIsBless so you can go over there and see more. I do things over there also like how I do over here. So you can follow me on my Instagram page. Alright everyone, remember, as always, stay blessed from PetalIsBless. Bye bye.
Baby, why your man not here? Tell me where he gone. Tell me why your man not here.